back to the channel, everyone. In this video I'm going to talk to you about avocado butter. Avocado butter is made by the hydrogenation of ultra refined avocado oil. It's very good in fatty acid, and oftentimes when this butter is made, it's they add non-GMO soy butter to it, often as the base. So avocado butter is popular for the hydration of your skin. It helps mature skin, and also good for making hair care products. Now you can use this at least sometimes 3% in body balm. Sometimes when you want to make other formulation like lotion and so on, you can use it when you are making lotion. Okay, you can include avocado butter when making lotion and cream. You can include it between 5% and 20%. When you're making balm, you can even use 100% for a balm, or even use a little bit to make your balm. When you're making a cold process soap, you can use it between 5% and 20%. Now when you're making hair conditioner, you can use it up to 5%. So people will start from 2% and stop at 5%. That's how to use avocado oil. Now when adding avocado butter or any butter to creams and lotion, it's very necessary for you to gently warm it. You want to warm it and let it melt, and so you can incorporate it in your final product. Now the good thing about this is that when you add this to your soap, okay, so when making soap, okay, especially cold processed soap, make sure you don't use too much of avocado butter. You can use avocado butter at 15 ml. You can use 1 tablespoon per pound of oil that you are making. A lot of people make avocado butter, add too much of avocado butter to the skincare product, and it's not good. So make sure you know that when you're making soap, it's good you make it, you use it at up to around 5% to 10%, depending on what you are making. In balm, make sure you use it between 5% to 100%. Air conditioner up to 5%. When you're making lotion and soap, do not use it more than 20%. So start from 5% to 20%. Basically, I use it to make lotion and cream, and I do not exceed sometimes 8%. So I do not exceed that when using it. So that's exactly how you want to use it too. If you want to buy your own avocado butter, look in the description box below for a link on where to buy the best avocado butter in the business. This is how it looks. It's very rich, and make sure you have it covered so as to extend the shelf life. Butter usually lasts for 1 year, so please do well and make sure you prevent this from contamination so that it can last long. So that's about it for this video about avocado butter. Look in the description box below for where to buy your own avocado butter. If you want to know about different butter I use to make skincare product you yourself can use to make your own different skincare product, look in the description box below. You see where I talk about almost all the butter that I use, and I show them to you to see how they look. It's a channel for you to subscribe to if you want to know more about making your own skincare product. If you want to learn how to make your skincare product to sell, head over to naturalskincareschool.com and join us with the exciting formulation project that we are doing now. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. See you in my next video.